In a little wooden house where the wildflowers grow lives a big brown bear moving nice and slow. But here comes Masha with a giggle and a grin, knocking on the door, ready to begin. She jumps on the couch, makes a mess with glee, spills honey jars and climbs a tree. Bear just sighs, but deep inside he's full of joy with Masha by his side. She jumps on the couch, makes a mess with glee, spills honey jars and climbs the tree. Bear just sighs, but deep inside he's full of joy with Masha by his side. Masha and the bear, what a magical pair, dancing in the forest, spinning through the air, laughing, learning, having fun. Every day's a brand new one. With kindness, care, and teddy bear hugs, they chase away the grumps and bugs. They paint with colors, blue and red, bake berry pies and share some bread. They read tall tales beneath the trees and play dress up with the forest breeze. The bear might grumble, stomp his paw, but Masha always finds a way to awe. From silly tricks to funny hats, they make friends with birds and cats. Masha and the bear, what a magical pair, climbing hills and sliding down with flair, building snowmen, splashing streams, living out their forest dreams. Side by side through thick and thin, that's where every tale begins. In the evening glow they settle down, no more chasing or spinning around. Masha yawns and rubs her eyes, the bear sings lullabies under starry skies. A day of fun, a heart so wide, filled with wonder they cannot hide. Tomorrow brings a new surprise, under the clouds and sunny skies. Oh, the forest sings with joy so sweet, when Masha and the bear both meet. Through seasons bright and stormy weather, they share their hearts and grow together. Masha and the bear, what a magical pair, sharing laughs and showing the care, with love and hugs that never end. She's his chaos, he's her friend, forever in the forest light. Masha and the bear feel just right. Wow.